There's been another arrest in the Bemina attack case. A resident of Uri has been arrested now. According to reports that we're getting at this point in time, local guide Bashir Ahmed, who is well versed with the LOC, has a history of helping militancy, has been arrested. Farid is with us on the phone line. Farid, take us through the details.
Let me tell you, yesterday, through the day, the J&K police was basically searching the Kamarwari area because they had intelligence inputs that there could be the Fidai militants, two of them who were killed. There were not only two, there were some more of them, maybe two or three. So on those bases, they were searching the periphery of the militant attack, that is the Kamarwari area, and as well as the Chatabal area. And finally, they met success when they arrested this Pakistani militant. According to police sources, his name is Abu Talha, and he's from Multan, Pakistan, someone who was a part of the Fidai group according to the initial investigation. Now the police is officially tight-lipped. They're not officially coming out because they know that this is not all. There are more militants who are around, and definitely this could have been a big group. So just to ensure that this big group doesn't get operational again, they are ensuring that they get maximum intelligence or maximum inputs out of that militant from his interrogation, and then act accordingly to get a hold of the other militants who could be at loose. And also importantly, they have also arrested the guide who, according to sources, was the person who brought these people from the LOC into the hinterland. That person, Bashir Ahmed, has been picked up from Uri. He is said to be someone who has previously also been someone who has brought in militants and helped them to cross the LOC. So really, the jigsaw puzzle really coming together for the police, one arrest after the other. And in fact, through the day, there are more developments expected on this front. Back to you.